There's nothing better than having your gaming gear easily accessible and organized, and in order to have that, you will need a good quality gaming desk that should be designed with all the gaming buffs and sturdy materials. So in today's video, we will show you the top 10 best gaming desks that are gonna let you play games without any distraction. So without further ado, let's get into the video. With over 5,000 ratings and good reviews on Amazon, Mr. IRONSTONE is an affordable and entry-level gaming desk that you can buy right now. Designed with a waterproof MDF laminated top and durable metal legs, this gaming desk can bear decent weights up to 110 pounds, making it great to stage one big monitor and other gaming gear. This desk has an R-style legging design with adjustable feet, for which it's gonna give the desk more support, stability, and durability to hold your gaming accessories. On the table, you will find two cable management holes for routing your wires, a detachable cup holder for some refreshment, and a convenient headphone hook to place your headphone nicely. Considering this price tag, this gaming desk is pretty decent and you can have it for setting up your next gaming setup. Designed for game lovers to stimulate their potential, the SIMBR gaming desk is an aggressive-looking desk that is geared towards esports fanatics and serious gamers. Built with a high-quality waterproof MDF board and sturdy metal legs, this gaming table can withstand weights up to 176 pounds for carrying all your beloved gaming gear. Its uniqueness is its U-shaped carbon fiber textured surface that not only looks sleek but also wear-resistant and feels nice on touch. This desk features a modern K-frame design with adjustable feet to ensure a stable construction on uneven surfaces and eliminating wobbling. Moreover, it also contains convenient features like a cup holder for your beverages, a headphone hook, a stand for placing your controllers, and a cable management net and grow mats for a clean gaming setup. Apexgaming has been dominating the gaming desk industry for many years. Now meet its Elite 60 series, a gaming desk that is ergonomic and adjustable for your desired posture to meet. Made with a premium MDF desktop with a one-piece fixed steel beam, this gaming desk can hold up to a huge 224 pounds of weight for all your heavy gaming gear. It has got an ergo-shaped work surface that is quite large enough to mount your heavy 2 or 3 monitors with ease. The cool part of this desk is its adjustable height, which you can tune from its controller. This will let you adjust the desk's height from 74 to 122 centimeters, and you will also get 4 programmable presets to meet every ergonomic requirement. Other than that, there are 2 grow mats on each corner for making your wire routing convenient and clean. Unleash your true gaming potential by using the Cougar MARS PRO 150, a sleek-looking gaming desk that features all the RGBs, ergonomics, and a special control box for your gaming convenience. This gaming desk has a pretty wide surface that is textured nicely with carbon fiber, for which it's gonna feel nice on touch while hardcore gaming. With a huge 330 pounds of payload capacity, its curved edges and rounded corners provides a more comfortable gaming experience. The standout feature is its dual-sided RGB lighting effects that's gonna give you an immersive gaming vibe to dive deep into the gaming world. Another striking feature is its I/O control box that contains the RGB button, a USB 3.0 Type-C port with a Type-C monitor extension, dual USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and 3.5mm audio ports. This will give you a ton of convenience as you don't have to plug your cables on the backside of your PC every time. For the most comfortable position, this gaming desk can be manually adjusted between 3 height levels in 750, 800, and 850mm so that you can find the right posture based on your needs. Founded in 2001, DXRacer has been geared towards the world of gaming and esports. Now meet their GD 1000, an affordable gaming desk that gives a clean-looking gaming setup like no other. Containing a wooden desk board on top and made with high-quality ABS material, this gaming desk holds up to 110 pounds of decent weight. Additionally, its double triangle design with 360-degree rotatable trapezoid feet offers the strongest structure possible to make the table solid and sturdy from wobbling. The carbon fiber feather with computerized embroidery is one of its key features that helps hide your cables effectively. This gaming desk has been made with a 10-degree ergonomic design to keep your spine right and healthy for long-term gaming. Plus, there are multiple cable holes and trays available in the desk for which you can route your cables just the way you like them to be. Besides, the 3 faces enclosed to prevent valuables from falling off so that you can play and remain worry-free all the time. Designed to hold your toughest gaming gear on board, the Eureka Ergonomic Z1S gaming desk is here that is tailored to give you the utmost gaming satisfaction. Constructed with a carbon fiber desktop, a high-quality Z-support frame, this gaming desk can bear up to a massive 500 pounds of weight so that you can stage dual 27-inch gaming monitors easily. The adjustable glides on this gaming desk can be adjusted up to 0.4 inches in height to stabilize your desk and prevent it from wobbling. And to give you a more immersive gaming experience, you will also find RGB lights on both sides to have a multicolor light show while you are gaming. There are 2 cable grommets for all the wires, a convenient headphone hanger, a reversible mug holder to place your coffee mug, and a stand to place your controllers. In addition, this desk comes with an exclusively tailored mousepad that also feels premium on hands, making this table a complete gaming station indeed. Rated one of the top gaming style desks on the market, the Arena Moto is the motorized version or the original Arena that offers a perfect blend of modern design and gaming features into one. On top of a durable MDF board, the entire surface of this gaming desk has been covered with an interchangeable microfiber mousepad. As a result, you can glide through your mouse anywhere you like. With up to 265 pounds of weight capacity, this desk has got some sturdy steel legs for long-lasting durability and a crossbar between the top of the 2 legs for added stability. Equipped with heavy-duty twin motors, you can adjust its height from 28.7 to 46.1 inch smoothly based upon your needs. Moreover, it also has 4 customizable buttons that let you save the presets for faster adjustments. This desk also includes 3 cutouts for cable management and monitor attachment, and an included headset hanger for your gaming convenience. Now get to know the incredible Respawn 3000, a gaming desk that is unique for its innovative lifting mechanism and accessory support features. This desk utilizes an amazing pneumatic lift system for easy up and down, which lets you adjust the desk from 33.5 inch to 49.5 inch in a matter of time. Made out of steel tube frame construction with adjustable leveling glides, this gaming desk can withstand up to 200 pounds of weight, which is pretty decent for most gaming setups. On both of the corners, there are metal hangers that allow you to put headphones or a cup to reach your gear instantly. The raised monitor shelf lets you have a comfortable viewing angle, while the speaker shelves allow you to showcase your setup at its best. In short, the Respawn 3000 is a pretty sturdy gaming desk that is best for its accessory support and lifting mechanisms indeed. Thermaltake was always in the front of the line for its amazing RGBs, durable build, and sleek-looking design. And its new ToughDesk 300 RGB is not an exception either. Made with solid steel construction with an anti-scratch and high-pressure laminated material, this gaming desk can bear up to 330 pounds of weight in order to place your heaviest gear securely. Coming in at 160 centimeters in length and 80 centimeters deep, this desk can be adjusted between 70 to 110 centimeters high electronically. And just like high-end units, it also has an electronic control panel containing 4 presets to switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. The cherry on top is you will get to see a stunning RGB strip around the exterior of the mousepad, which enhances the gaming vibes even more than you expected. It has a full-surface mousepad made of the semi-coarse textured weave, which ensures your mouse doesn't slip off in mid-game. Thermaltake has designed this unit with a handy cable routing tray and 3 convenient routing channels. Thus, you will be able to keep your cables neat, tidy, and organized. So don't just wait anymore. Go and grab the Thermaltake ToughDesk 300 and make your gaming dream come true. Elevate your gameplay to a whole new dimension by using the Logitech G Motia from Herman, a modern-looking gaming desk that is built with superior craftsmanship to last long years to come. The crown feature of this desk is its smudge-proof anti-glare matte laminate tabletop that lets you play in ideal lighting without distractions. Constructed with powder-coated steel legs, this desk can hold up to 250 pounds of gaming gear effortlessly. The surface of this desk is pretty large, 60 inches in width and 30 inches in depth, making this desk suitable for any gamers indeed. You can raise or lower its height from 27 to 46 inches by pressing its easy touch switch that is placed at the side of the table. So whenever you need to stretch your legs, you can do that instantly. In brief, the Herman Logitech G Motia has the best overall features and it will definitely be a perfect choice for your gaming setup for sure. So that was our list of the top 10 best gaming desks just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.